Today I'm going to show you exactly how to send a PDF file through Telegram on your desktop computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the fastest and most reliable way to share important documents, ebooks, or anything else saved in PDF format, right from your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux machine. Let's jump straight into it. First, open up your Telegram desktop app. If you're used to only using Telegram on your phone, don't worry, the desktop version is just as easy to use, and it can sometimes be even more convenient when handling files like PDFs. Make sure you're signed in, and then simply navigate to the chat where you want to send your PDF. This could be a one-on-one conversation, a group, or even a channel. The key here is making sure you're in the right place, because once you send a file, it'll be instantly shared with everyone in that selected chat. Next, take a look at the message input field at the bottom of the window. You'll see a small paperclip icon. Think of it as your gateway to attaching all sorts of content. Go ahead and click that paperclip. This opens up a menu, and from here you want to choose File. Selecting File instead of Photo or Video is important because it tells Telegram you want the document shared in its original format without any compression or changes to the quality. If you've ever attached an image and noticed it got blurry, you'll appreciate that this method keeps your PDF exactly as it is. After clicking File, you'll see your computer's File Explorer pop up. The appearance may look a bit different depending on your operating system, but the process is the same. Just navigate to where you saved your PDF file. Maybe it's on your desktop or in your Downloads folder, or perhaps you use a dedicated Documents folder. If you're unsure where you saved it, take a moment to search by the file name, whatever helps you find it easily. Once you see the right file, click it to select and then hit Open. Now, before Telegram actually sends the file, it usually gives you a final confirmation step. You'll see a small preview and a button labeled Send, or you can simply press the Enter key. Double-check that you selected the correct PDF. It pays to be sure so you don't accidentally send the wrong document, especially if you're sharing sensitive or private information. When you're ready, hit Send, and in just a moment your PDF will be delivered. Here's a quick pro tip that can make things even easier. If you don't feel like clicking around, you can simply drag and drop your PDF straight into the chat window. Just locate your PDF file in a Finder or Explorer window, click and hold, then move it directly over your Telegram chat and release. Telegram Desktop is smart. It detects this action and almost always sends your file in its original format, preserving all the quality and content. It's perfect for times when you're working on something and want to share it on the fly. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're sending homework, contracts, or just a favorite book to a friend, Telegram makes it secure and straightforward. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or get stuck at any step. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this, so you can keep mastering the tools you use every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.